This is about 9 months, almost 10 months.
I haven't really touched it. I barely trimmed the mustache and like the
little bit underneath, but I've just let everything else grow.
Yeah. Joe here at the Beardbrand Barbershop in Austin, Texas, and today I got my buddy Dan in the chair from Iowa, and we are gonna just get him looking good, man. Yeah. So we're gonna do, let's go with a mid-skin fade, right? You don't want to do nothing too high, nothing too military-esque. So we'll keep that fade mid-ear, maybe even a little lower where the C cup is. We'll drop it down to the back where your occipital bone is right here. And then with the top, you said you wanted to keep, how much did you want to? Whatever looks good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I trust it.
I kind of want to keep just a bit though.
Yeah. Do it.
Cool.
It's all good.
And then we'll go with the beard towards the end. We'll just go over that here in a bit. Cool, man. Let's do it. So real quick, I'm just gonna cut the top. Had to get that water seeping through that hair real quick.
Do it.
I'm gonna throw some texture in here. Might as well, man.
Yeah, I trust you. Just
if your wife
do
comes
whatever you
busting
want
through that door,
no,
I'm mad. Nah, we should be good.
No, she was excited to have the beard trimmed up a little bit.
So how long have you been watching Beardbrand videos?
Probably 3, 4, 5 years. I can't even remember like when the first one. So I grew a beard for like 15 months. It was about double this length.
See that flip?
The very first time. And that's like when I started with all the Beardbrand products. And then I worked at Chick-fil-A for a bit, so I had to shave my beard completely off. So I could only have a mustache. And then still got some mustache wax and stuff through that time. But then after that, I worked at a place called Pizza Ranch. It's like a buffet chain in Iowa and a few other states. But so even with food service, I couldn't really grow a beard. So I took a couple years off, and then just recently, when I started working at Costco last November, I started growing this beard. And so probably 4 years or so of Beardbrand products. And I remember even seeing, like, because I was ordering way before, I think Eric Van Holtz went on Shark Tank with Beardbrand. And so I was ordering products way before then. And then
wow, dude.
Yeah, and I can't remember when that was, but
that's been a minute.
But yeah, no, I've loved the products and all the different scents. Eric, if you watch this, you need to bring back Urban Garden. That was one of my favorite scents.
We're coming out with the new one, right? Black Crown.
Black Crown, yeah.
I'm curious to smell that one, man. Black Sail smells good.
Yeah. I was at work when I got the text update that it was out, and then it was sold out like by the time I got on break, so I never got any.
Damn. So we want to keep this area just a little longer.
Yeah, whatever you think.
I'm just following this guideline all the way around the head to make it easier for me when I fade into the bulk on the sides. He has a lot of hair. So how I cut Dan's hair was we just kept it real shorter in the back, and then we left it longer up in this area, just the recessions, kind of hide that a bit. And no, I'm not roasting him. I have a recession as well, so.
When I first started growing a beard, I was looking up beard products, and I came across Beardbrand. And I love the, like, even on my phone, I think I've still got it on there. I put a little sticker.
Heck yeah.
So I have like the pins and stuff whenever I would order, the beard products. Nice. And so I just like the kind of the branding, the way it looked. I love the smell of the products after I first ordered it, and just the way it gave a nice sheen and everything to the beard. So my first beard that I was growing, I never even trimmed my mustache, and it would touch my ears. Like, it was so long I could just grab the side of it, like right here, and then it's almost there now, but I mean the front was all the way down too, so I had to really like curl it, tuck it under. This one I've tried to keep the mustache a little bit shorter because my wife doesn't like it. So she's putting up with me for right now, which is good.
I have my 3 guard on right now, just debulking all this so I can have a better view. I'm going in with the 0 here in a minute. And I'm gonna start my guideline right below the C cut. I like to keep my guidelines real, I try to keep them real clean. Okay, so with the Beardman, we wanted to pretty much keep the length, but sacrifice as much as we can. What do you do with the mustache? How do you feel about that? Do you do it above the lip, or do you like it kind of?
I like it a little longer, but honestly, whatever you think's gonna look best,
Okay.
you do it.
Yeah, we'll just clean it up. If you like it a little longer, you don't like the lip showing?
Not too much. I don't really care either way though.
Okay.
It's all good. Whatever you want to do.
Okay, I'm gonna take off all the lighter areas on the beard, so. And I'm pretty much now just freehanding this whole beard.
Hey, have a good man.
important thing is a beard, man.
I used to try to trim my own beard, but I'd always just mess it up and I'd have to keep cutting it shorter and shorter, so I've given up.
All right, man, what do you think of the beard?
I like it.
Cool?
Looks really good.
Okay. Let me just hit you with the razor, man, and we are freaking done. Let me also touch up your eyebrows.
Cool.
Real quick. All right, Dan. Let me know if that's too hot, man. Good.
I run about like 3 to 4 times a week. But I always put in like a lunch.
What products did you want to smell? You want to go ahead and give them all a whip? Are you familiar with all of them already?
Yeah, I do Black Sails, and that's one that I haven't like tried. I think I've tried everything else.
I do kind of like. It's like a. Yeah. It smells like a. I don't know.
It smells like it's good though.
Like a big bald dude with a huge mustache,
Yeah.
and he's like a welder. I don't know. It sounds a little sus.
Very specific visualization.
Are you describing what it smells like as a person?
Yeah. When is it? Are they gonna have it here? The Black Crown. When does it come out?
I think it's at the end of the month.
Honestly, man, when this can be up to you. This part, I try to like keep it a little. You want to take that up a bit?
You think it's gonna look better up on that?
Yeah. Me, I do.
Do it.
Okay.
Cool with that.
Cool. Let me just put some product in there. What do you want to put in? I don't think we have any black cell styling. Oh hell yeah.
4 vices.
4 vices?
Love
Okay.
the smell of that. If you have it.
I'm going to use some 4 vices styling balm. Really in there.
Sometimes it's too pointed out. I'm like, oh my god, get it out of the center.
Cool.
Good.
Talk about Stu. Yeah. You can see like he was like.
Appreciate you.
No problem, man.
Yeah, it looks dope.
Cool.
Yeah. Great. Thank you, man.
No problem. No problem. Do I take?
Appreciate your dream come true.
Hey.
My haircut here.
Hey.
Beardbrand.
For Vice's styling, go with that one. For the shower,
Oh my goodness.
which I use all the fucking time.
I just bought a bunch of I got the 3-pack of the bars, but I just used it up. The Spice Citrus was the one I just finished with.
Yeah.
So,
Let me go grab you some balm real quick from the back. Boom. Large comb, some balm. So you got beard, hair, and shower.
appreciate
Yeah, no
it.
problem, man. No problem.
Thank you.